I can think of many reasons to make egg salad. It's springtime, it's comfort food, and heck, it reminds me of my mom. So I always love making it. I want to show you how to make it. Now it's real simple, but it's about being gentle and a proper ratio of ingredients. Let me show you. Take a look at my bowl. I have a dozen eggs chopped, tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half a cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of parsley, same with the green onion, 3 tablespoons, and we'll juice half a lemon. So let's go ahead and juice that lemon. Watch out for the seeds, but they never hurt anybody. There's one, let's get him. Now the most important part about making egg salad is to be gentle. If we overwork this, it becomes kind of soupy. So you want to be gentle. Just fold it over. Get it well incorporated, but don't overwork it. You know, wow, look at that perfect texture. That's real important when it comes to egg salad. So all we need to do now is season it up with salt and pepper. Let's get that pepper in there, a little bit of salt. You know what my mom liked? She liked a little malt vinegar in there, so I'm gonna add it for her. You don't have to do that. So mix all that up, taste it, make sure it tastes great, and I hope you use this recipe at home.